Good morning, everybody. So this is just a little makeup look, just a nude look to go with this pretty dress that I picked up in a boutique. Very inexpensive, like 30 bucks. Another nudish, pinkish look to go with a LuLaRoe outfit for my gal, Brittany. It says serial killer on the shirt. Fabulous. And then this is a little bit of a darker look, and it's just with a Julia dress and a sweater and some boots. And then this is a cute little sweater and LuLaRoe top and LuLaRoe jeans for my girl Brittany. You can see it better in this picture. Let's see. This is it with the sweater on. LuLaRoe has jeans now. They are absolutely comfortable. This is a dress I picked up at JCPenney's. It was on clearance for $25. Liz Claiborne. Beautiful. Navy and white. LuLaRoe dress that I got. This is the same dress with a sweater. These are some pants that I got. These are those Better Band pants. Yeah, this is a Bella skirt, a Julia dress. Oh, it's a sweater and a dress from LuLaRoe. It's a Danny and a Lucille, and it's an Amelia. Not much this week, guys. I love you so much. Mwah.